in this video you'll be learning a really nice and easy to do sleight of a hand that is essential for magic without gimmicks and stuff. So it's really handy and you can love it a lot because it's easy to do, and it's called the diagonal palm shift control or the D.P.S control. So let's get down to learning it. So the way this move works is, first of all you have the card selected and you keep it in the middle, and then you do a series of moves to control the card to the bottom of the deck, like so. Okay, so now let's get into the more in-depth explanation of this move. So here's how you do it. So first of all, what's gonna happen is, let's pick a card for now. So this one over here, the 4 of spades. So first of all, what's gonna happen is you're gonna keep the card in the center right over there. Okay, and then what's gonna happen is you're gonna take your index finger and press on the corner of the card from here, okay, where your thumb is. Okay, then you just press it just like this and until it goes all the way in. So you are over here. So now the card is out jogged from this side, as you can see, and from this side, and also from this side. And you're gonna use all these 3 sides to do some series of mechanical moves, and then you're gonna control the card to the bottom of the deck. So you are over here, and then you take your thumb and you're going to keep it aligned with the index finger. Okay, so let's start it once again. So you have the card over here, you keep the card over here, press with the corner, and you come over here. Okay, so now once you are here, what's gonna happen is you're gonna take your thumb and you're gonna push this corner back just like this. Okay, so you're gonna take your thumb over here, and let me just show you what's gonna happen. So just push this back, and it's gonna come right over here in the bottom right corner. Okay, so push the card in with the corner like this. Once it is here, you're gonna take your thumb and push this all the way back. Okay, so all this action is gonna be concealed using your right hand or the opposite hand. So as you can see that if I keep my hand over here and do this move, as you can see this card is almost invisible, and you can just do it in the offbeat and you can just talk to the spectator and this will be completely invisible, and I'm sure about that. So you first come over here, show the card, the 4 of spades, then you just push it back, and you can do it really fast. You don't want to be like, okay, so I'm showing the spectator that I'm pushing the card from the corner, so you want to be really fast, and then you just push the card using, you can also apply some support with your index if you want to, but I usually do it with a thumb, but you can do it with the index too. So you just slide the card back using your thumb, and now you are here. So now once you are here, you're gonna take your all the fingers and you're gonna sort of like push this down, okay, like this, and it's gonna make a sound, but you reduce the sound as you practice this move. So you're gonna first come over here, and then with all these fingers just quickly take that card and put it on the bottom, and the card is on the bottom of the deck. Okay, so it's just a snap recap. Let's go. You have the card, it's in the center of the deck, you push with the corners, and now you are here. Then with your thumb, you can also do it with the index, but I do it with the thumb. Just push it back until you are here. Then you take your other 4 fingers and just slide that card to the bottom of the deck, and now the card is on the bottom. You can do anything you want with this card, or what you can do here is just an overhand shuffle control, and the card is now on top of the deck. So that was the trick, guys, and I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys are going to try this out with your friends and your family, and I think you guys learned something in this video, and if you did, then please drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.